Now we discuss remaining protein diseases caused by defect in gene. The first one is homocystinuria. Homocystinuria means elevated level of homocysteine in urine. It is basically defect in homocysteine metabolism. It is autosomal recessive disorder like phenylketonuria and maple syrup urine disease. In this disease is characteristic by high level of homocysteine and methionine in plasma and urine and low level of cysteine in urine and plasma. Many of defected genes are responsible for this disease, but most common gene is CBS gene. CBS stands for cystathionine beta synthase. This gene is responsible for producing an enzyme called cystathionine beta synthase enzyme. This enzyme is responsible for converting homocysteine to cystathionine. Mutation in CBS gene responsible for non-function of CBS enzyme. As a result of homocysteine start accumulating and excess of in blood and excess of homocysteine excreted in urine. The most common symptoms of CBS gene defect homocystinuria include ectopia lentis. Ectopia lentis is basically discoloration of lens. The next one is skeletal anomalies. Skeletal anomalies include long limbs and larger fingers. It also cause intellectual disability and risk of thrombi. Thrombi means blood clotting. Thrombosis is the major cause of death in these patients. It also causes nearsightedness and osteoporosis. Nearsightedness and osteoporosis is the main symptom of the disease caused by deficiency of or mutation in CBS gene. Vitamin B6 play a major role in the treatment or causing of this disease. Vitamin B6 also called pyridoxine. Patient can basically vitamin B6 work as a coenzyme for the gene cystathionine beta synthase. Without vitamin B6, the efficiency and functionality of cystathionine beta synthase affected badly. Patient with homocystinuria can be responsive or non-responsive to oral administration of pyridoxine. Those patients who are responsive to vitamin B6, they have usually milder symptoms and later onset of clinical symptoms compared to non-responsive vitamin B6 patient. The treatment of disease include restriction of the food containing methionine and homocysteine in larger amount. Supplementation with vitamin B6, B12 and folate can overcome the symptoms. There are also less common forms of homocystinuria. They include mutation in MTHFR, MTR, MTRR, MMADHC genes cause homocystinuria. These genes play important role in converting homocysteine to methionine. So, disruption or defect in these genes can result in inadequate homocysteine breakdown and accumulating in blood and urine. The main symptoms include intellectual disability, failure to grow and gain weight at the expected rate, seizures, problem with movement, and a blood disorder called megaloblastic anemia. Megaloblastic anemia can be characterized as the RBCs produced in megaloblastic anemia are larger than normal RBCs. The next one is alkaptonuria. Alkaptonuria is a rare metabolic disorder involving a deficiency in homogenistic acid oxidase enzyme. This is the first discovered by an author and scientist Archibald Garrett in 1900s. It is also an inherited disorder. This is the disease who show link between an inherited trait and enzyme deficiency. Mean how an enzyme deficiency link to the production of disease in generations, and how it transfer from one generation to another. The main characteristic of this disorder is that it can cause urine turn black when exposed to air because of the oxidation of homogenistic acid. The main cause of this disorder is that homogenistic dioxygenase, a gene responsible for the production of an enzyme homogenistic acid oxidase, that help to degrade phenylalanine and tyrosine amino acid. Mutation in homogenistic dioxygenase gene cannot produce an enzyme homogenistic acid oxidase efficiently, due to which the breakdown of phenylalanine and tyrosine suffer, and development of homogenistic acid occur. Due to increased accumulation of homogenistic acid, alkaptonuria disease results. As I show a flow chart in which it shows whenever we take protein in diet containing phenylalanine and tyrosine, convert themselves into melanin, and tyrosine also convert into hydroxyphenylpyruvic acid and then homogenistic acid. When there is mutation in homogenistic dioxygenase gene, homogenistic acid oxidase जो है वो does not produce. So homogenistic acid cannot convert into their respective metabolic forms and start accumulating in blood, cause alkaptonuria. The symptoms include homogenistic aciduria, elevated level of homogenistic acid in urine, and which turn black after oxidation when exposed to air. The next one is large joint arthritis and ochronosis. Ochronosis is the black accumulation of black pigment in collagenous tissues. Usually, patients with alkaptonuria remain asymptomatic till 40 years of their life. But sometimes baby can develop early symptoms, but mostly they develop in later life. Diet low in phenylalanine and tyrosine reduce the level of homogenistic acid and decrease the amount of pigment deposited in body tissue. It's not life-threatening condition, but because symptoms appear after 40 years, so arthritis can be severely threatening to the people.